we are back. It's 8:37. Christmas just 5 short days away. All the holiday shopping leading up to this weekend's long-awaited moment of exchanging presents.
Of course, that gift swap can sometimes lend itself to some tricky social situations. So why don't we navigate them with lifestyle and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine, you're here to solve our problem.
Oh, my goodness, yes. So problems do happen this time of year.
So we each have them. You've got your first one.
Here we go. There's gift one.
Okay, are we giving gifts?
No, we're just
Oh, that was good. Well, pretend I didn't do that. Is it okay to make a holiday wish list and share that wish list with family and friends?
Oh, wow. Okay. Yes, absolutely. It is perfectly fine to make a holiday wish list. And the reason why is because this helps prevent waste and unsizing and things that we don't want people to purchase things for us that we don't want. So there's nothing wrong with making a list, but you have to give this list to people that you know you are going to do a gift exchange with.
Okay.
Got
This
it.
does not
you
send them a list, say, pick any of these?
Well, you say, hey, I just want to let you know that these little things are on my radar. This is what I have my eye on this holiday
so interesting.
season.
Al and I talked about that because he does that with his family. But that's like kids do it. But can adults? I feel like
grown-ups.
Hey, girl, you know what? I have my eye on this ring. Will you get it for me? Okay.
That way it doesn't get wasted.
Okay, here's another one.
Yes.
All right. If someone gives you a gift, are you obligated to give them one in return? It's happened to all of us. Everyone's gotten a gift.
Yeah, someone gives you a gift and you weren't expecting it. So the thing is, you are not obligated to give that person a gift.
Okay.
All you have to do is just look them in the eye and give them a heartfelt thank you. Now, if you feel like you have to do something, follow up with a thank you card afterwards.
That's
just
sweet.
to say that was
Can I
very
ask a question?
thoughtful. Yes.
Do you, I don't know, I hope this isn't one of the questions, but do you have to open it in front of the person? Because there's something very kind of weirdly performative about, even though it's exciting, you're like, oh, no matter what.
This is an amazing category.
Do you not have to?
You don't.
No,
Okay.
You can take that time to yourself. Now, if everyone is around the tree and we're all doing it, then you do.
Of course.
But if it's just that one-off person,
someone hands it to you and waits.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, here's our next one.
Okay.
Nice.
I'll put this down.
Is it rude to ask for a gift receipt or ask for help exchanging a gift?
No, gift receipts are great, but we should not be asking for a gift receipt for any reason whatsoever. The only time you might need to get it is if you think you're going to have some trouble exchanging something, but the only time you should exchange it and tell them that you're going to is if it doesn't actually fit.
Like a size.
Yeah, a size.
Oh, so if it's not something that you don't
you just don't like the color, you don't like the way it smells. No, you just figure it out
Take
on
the
your
candle.
own. Yeah, take it and
yours.
smile and say
You
thank you.
own it.
Yeah,
Right.
it's yours.
We got one more.
Figure that out.
Is it okay to combine a holiday gift with another occasion, like a birthday or a wedding?
Absolutely not.
That's a no.
There are a lot of people with birthdays, like, say, December 20th or, you know.
I do this with my brother and father every year,
No,
'cause
don't do it. Don't
That's
do it.
bad.
Today's my
Thank you.
mom's birthday. God rest her soul. But today's her birthday. And it was so special for her, for us to acknowledge her on her birthday and 5 days later on Christmas. So with all folks, you want to make sure that they celebrate. It's a separation.
That's fair.
Okay, we've got one more.
Okay.
Is it okay to re-gift?
Let me answer that one for you. Yes.
Okay.
What do you think?
Re-gifting is acceptable.
Yes.
However,
I knew there was going to be a however.
There are some definite guguidelines as far as that's concerned. So definitely do not re-gift within the same circle of friends. So if somebody at work gave you something, don't re-gift it.
I did that. Terrible
You can get
feeling.
caught. In addition to that, it has to be absolutely positively new. So don't tear the package open and
then-
have everything freight and then try to re-gift it. And then the other thing is just to make sure that you redo the packaging as well. So don't leave it in the same gift bag with a tag on it.
But I think it's kind of, I mean, if you're not going to use it and it's brand new and you know someone would love it, I don't think that that's such a bad thing.
This is when you're actually giving it to someone as a gift. You don't have to know that this sweater that someone gave me that I don't like.
Right, happens to be.
that somebody gave it to you.
It's just a gift.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Elaine, thank you. Thank you so much.
All right.